Hi class 2. All of you please take out page number 57. Okay. So take out page number 57. We will do the grammar portions. So last class I have given you some work. I think you have done that. So please check it whether your answers are correct or not. I have told you to circle the correct action word. I have told you to circle the correct action word. Okay. You see Peter drew it. Here it is. Here you have to circle. BROK broke, BROK. Which one is wrong? You will not circle. So BIT bite. Past tense of BIT bite is BIT beat. So BIT beat. Circle that. TAK take. Past tense of take is to. TAWK to. Fall. FALL fall. Past tense of fall is FELL fail. Past tense of throw. THRO throw is THREW threw. RU and run. Past tense is RA and ran. Again I am telling BIT beat, TWOK to, FELL fail, 3HREW threw and RA and ran. Okay. Now see here the picture of Peter, what he was doing yesterday. You have to write the actions. Okay. So PET here, Peter drew. Peter ate. He was eating watermelon. So you can write Peter ate, ATE. Peter wrote, WROTE wrote. Past tense of write is wrote, WROTE wrote. Then Peter sang. Past tense of sing is SANG sang. Okay. Then Peter read, READ read. Past tense is wrote, read. READ. Spelling will be same, but past tense pronunciation will be different. READ read. Okay. Turn to page 58. Now here did plus not. You can see that did plus not is used somewhere in the sentence. We also use did not to show the past tense. Okay. I picked it up. I did not picked it up means we are writing a negative sentence. This is a positive sentence. I picked it up. When I am using not, that means it is negative. I did not pick it up. And we are writing in the past tense. DID is used to show the past tense. I saw a mouse. I saw a mouse. I did not see a mouse. Here also you can see did not, negative. I caught it. I did not catch it. Okay. Now we use the simple form of action words with did plus not. I did not wake up early. I did not woke up early. Which one is correct? I did not wake up early. See, when you are using did did, that time whatever verb will be there, don't write the past form of that. You write the base form of the verb, that is pick. P-I-C-K, pick. I did not pick. Don't write picked. Then when you are writing did, don't write saw. You write C, S-W-C. When you are writing did, don't write caught. I did not catch. Write the first form of the verb or the base verb, or you can say the main verb. Okay, write the main verb form. Okay. Now you see the simple form of the action words. Work, see, eat, drink. These are the simple forms. Okay. Now here is an exercise 3. Complete the sentence using did not. You can use the did not here. We played yesterday. We did not play yesterday. What you will write? We did not play. P-L-A-Y. Okay. So write here. We did not. D-I-D-N-O-T. Did not. P-L-A-Y. Play. P-L-A-Y. Play. We did not play yesterday. The dog barked. The dog did not. D-I-D. Did not bark. B-A-R-K. Bark. B-A-R-K. Bark. Okay. We went to the fair. We did not go to the fair. D-I-D. Did not. N-O-T. Not. G-O. Go. We did not go to the fair. Mia saw a clown at the circus. Mia did not see. Did not. S-W-C. Mia did not see a clown at the circus. The baby ate the porridge. The baby dash porridge. The baby did not eat. E-A-T. Eat. Okay. Please see the answers properly. We played yesterday. We did not play yesterday. D-I-D-N-O-T P-L-A-Y. The dog did not bark. D-I-D-N-O-T B-A-R-K. We did not go. G-O go. Mia did not see. S-W-C. The baby did not eat. E-A-T. Okay, finished? Then come to the next page, number 59. Here is pronunciation. You have to practice this pronunciation. Clap as you say these words. One clap stands for each sound in a word. Like you clap and show the sounds. Like bug, one clap. Kitten, two claps. Okay, when you are telling the bug, one clap. When you are telling kitten, two clap. Okay, like that you have to practice. Butterfly, three claps. But-ter-fly. Okay, so like that you have to pronounce the words. Okay, fox, cat, dog, pig. These all words you have to do one clap. Donkey, two claps. Monkey, two claps. Parrot, spider, these are all two claps. Kangaroo, buffalo, elephant, kingfisher, these three claps. Kangaroo, buffalo. This slash you can see, and the words is divided into 2 or 3. That is called syllable. You have to break the words into the according to the syllable. Kangaroo. Okay. Then you have to say buffalo. Buffalo. Okay. Like this you practice at home. Understood? There is a picture composition. Look at the comic strip given below. Write about what you see in each picture. Here are some words you can see. Okay. What you are seeing in this picture, you can write about that. Okay. You can give a heading, and there are some words which you can use while writing. Write what the picture is saying. One paragraph. Okay. Many, burst, colorful, pop, pop, higher and higher, down, down, fun, tiny, sharp. This you can do as homework in the copy. This you do in the copy. Okay. What is the picture telling to you? Page number 60. What it's telling. Listen to the story. No need of regret. Cancel this one. Okay. So we have finished this chapter. So up to this you complete. Okay. Please complete this. See the picture and you write it down in your copy and with the help of these words. Okay. Bye, class 2.